Hi there and welcome to another video. My name is Paul Willems and in this video we are going to talk about a profit model for affiliate marketing. But you can apply this profit model also for a non-affiliate marketing website. Enjoy watching this video. So let's get a little bit technical here. We are going to calculate how profitable search engine optimization, search engine advertisement, and affiliate marketing is. To make a calculation like this, it's really easy to see, is it profitable for me to make an affiliate website or not? There's a lot of numbers. I will go to every detail, and once you have calculated the first numbers, you can just copy and paste the rest so that it's not too difficult. First of all, I have a profit model here for search engine optimization. You can see it in the bottom of the tab. Second one is a profit model for search engine advertisement. So how profitable would search engine advertisement be for an affiliate website? And third of all, there's an overall affiliate revenue profit model. So it means we have some different digital marketing channels and they generate visitors. A percentage of those visitors we send to an affiliate website, and how much money, how much conversion would they make, and what do we get from it. And this is nice because you can play with the figures, you can play with the numbers, and then you can calculate how much you would earn. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about search engine optimization, because the whole point about search engine optimization is the higher you get in the Google search engine, the more click-throughs you get to your website and the more conversion you get. As everybody knows, if you are in the second or in the third page of Google, it's hard to get any clicks to your website. But if you are on the first page, you might get some clicks to your website. But which percentage will click to your website? I can tell you what I have filled in here is not right. This is just fake. Why? Because I do not want you to type it over. You need to get a source. There are lots of researches done by agencies. They investigate what percentage of people will click through if you have a number one position. So let's say if you have a number one position in Google, 35% would click through to your website. If you have a number two position, only 25% will click through. If you have a number 7 position, only 4% of your visitors will click through. If you have a number 9 position, only 1% will click through. So why does number 10 have 3%? Well, mostly people are too lazy to click to the next page. So once again, this is not right. This is something I've made up. What you need to do is find the source. Please type down the source here so you can find it even back, and use the source and the click-through rate. There are lots of papers written about click-through rates. So the next thing you need to do is get all the words from your search engine optimization research and get them here in the first column here. And it might be almost 40. And then you need to get the search volume. And if I copy here all in Mallorca and I go to the Google Keyword Planner, if I go to the Google Keyword Planner here in Google Ads and I'm searching for keywords and I say get results, then here all in Mallorca would be between 100 and 1,000. And here all inclusive Mallorca would be between 1,000 and 10,000. And this is for a month. So August till July. Important, if you want to have an average, a yearly average, you need to download the keyword IDs and get the average for each month. But it's okay to get this. So if it's between 100 and 1,000, so on average, there should be 500 people looking for it. So that's a lot less than I calculated before here. So this is 500, and you can tell for your own website, well, I think I can get, for all in Mallorca, I can get a number 5 position in Google. So this is something you have to assess for yourself. If you say, well, the competition is not very high, the websites are not that good, so I think I can get a number 5 position. And those are the arguments you need to say. So based on the research that you have done from other papers, if you have a number 5 position, 7% will click through. So that means that 7% of 500 visitors each month, you will get 35 visitors to your website each month. And from those 35 visitors to your website, from those 12%, 6% will make a conversion. An average revenue from each conversion is 50 euros. and the commission I will get is 6 euros. So this is how you can calculate it, and there are some formulas below it. I will show it to you. So this is just a plain number. Well, let's make it 5,500. So it's a little bit easy to explain. Position number 5 is just what we came up with. You can just write it down, and based on the search volume and the position, you have to do a complicated calculation. You have to set here in a V lookup, so vertical lookup, and then what you say is C5, so that's the number position 5. We are going to look it up in a matrix between L4 and M13. So in this matrix, we are going to look for the number 5, and we are going to look for the number in the second row. So here is number 5, so it's the first row it's going to look for, and it's going to look for the number in the second row. So we are going to look in the first column for the number 5, and then in the second column we take the number 7 here, and that's true. So based on this formula, you will see there's 7%. I have put a dollar sign around the L4 and the M13, so that means that this matrix here is fixed. So what I can do, so I imagine that I don't have these numbers. Now it's really easy to select the cell and just drag it all the way down, and then it copies the formula all the way down. So you only have to set the formula one time, and then it calculates all the way down. So that's the click-through percentage. So if 7% of the 5.5 thousand people click through from Google to your website, that would be 385. And the formula equals B5 times D5. So this is really an easy formula. This formula is a little bit more complicated. So the commission you get is the number of visitors. So this 385, that would be E5, times EI2, so that means the click-through rate, to the affiliate website, so where people can buy something, times the conversion rate of 6%, times the average revenue of $50, times the I5, the 6% commission that you will get. So if you have a search volume from 5.5 thousand and you have position 5 in Google and 7% will click through to your website, then you will get 385 people on your website. From those 385 will click 12% to the affiliate website where they can buy something. 6% will make a conversion, and these are the numbers. So that means that from this keyword we will get a monthly commission of $8.32. So that's really good. So if we scroll all the way down and we sum all the revenue that we have, so this means that from SEO we will have a monthly income of 87.90 euros. So what if the commission is not 6% but 8%? And take a look at all these numbers. When I press enter, they will change. So the commission will get higher. What if the conversion rate on the affiliate website is not 6% but 10%? Really good affiliate websites do have a really high conversion rate. Then you see you have already 195 commission. So that's good. And what if, and let's say that we have a really good position, not a number 5 position, but a number 1 position here. And then you can see that your commission will go up really, really fast. So based on those keywords, the search volume, which you can find the second and the third month, once you have hits on this keyword, you can find it really easy in Google Search Console. Then you can calculate how much money you are earning. So this is SEO. The next one is SEA. So for search engine advertisements, how much profit can we make? It isn't too good with affiliate. So unless you are selling really expensive products on an affiliate website, you can make some money. But otherwise, it isn't too good. So let's say the click-through from the affiliate website is 12%. Again, conversion rate 6%, average profit 50 euros, and average commission 6 euros. It means that all in Mallorca, if you have this keyword and you go with this keyword again to the Google Keyword Planner, all in Mallorca, and use it again. But now I'm going to get this box, get search volume and forecasts. So I'm going to paste my keyword here and I'm going to press get started. Then you will see we have 72 clicks, 660 impressions, click-through rate 10.9 and average cost per click 0.74. So cost per click 0.74 and the number of clicks should be 72. So based on this information here, the cost per click, you can easily find here all the information that you need. I have only 72 clicks to my website, so that's not too much. So let's say that 12% of those 72 clicks will click through to the affiliate website. And from those 12% who have clicked through, only percent would make a conversion for 50 euros, and I will get 6% of it. You can already see if it's less than 100, you won't make any money at all. This doesn't work really. Rounds, we have actually one transaction if we are lucky. And why is that? This is a complicated formula. It says if B7, the 72, times B1, so the 12% click-through rate, times the conversion is less than 0.5. So then we have actually 0 people or 0.2 or 0.3 that make a conversion. Otherwise, we have 0.5 that makes a conversion and we can round it to 1. So then we have one conversion. So if it's less than 0.5, it would be 0. Otherwise, the conversion is 72 times 12 times 6. And you will see it's just one conversion. And from this one conversion, we get 50 euros. And from that 50 euros, we get 6% conversion. And you can see it here. So that's 1 times 50 times 6. And that would be €1.56. And that's not too much because we earn €1.56, but we spend 53 euros. So when I calculate an ROI, so when we say we divide G7 divided by D7 times 100%, it means our ROI is 3%. And if your ROI is 100%, you break even. That means if the earnings would be 53.3 euros, then we would break even. But if it's lower, then we lose money. And if it's more, then we make money. And with 3%, you can see, well, we're losing a lot of money here. So with a cost per click of 70 cents, you won't make any money. So what if the cost per click was 0.1 cent? Then we would make more money, but still not that much. Nice thing to do is if we sum up all the costs, so that means if we press sum and we select this row here, then we can see each month we would pay around 4,551. And if we get the total earnings from SEA, we would get around 157. So the average ROI should be 3%. So based on this calculation, you can advise it's not doable to use search engine advertisements. Maybe you can play a little bit with the figures here. So maybe the average profit would not be 50, but 5,000. Maybe if you're selling cars, and then you get some huge ROI, and then it's good. But if you're selling only maybe 500, will do also. No. But 50 won't do at all. So if your average profit is really high and you get a commission of it, then it is good to do search engine advertisement, but otherwise not. So the third one, and this is actually a nice calculation, because if you are planning to make a affiliate website, this is the calculation you need to do. Because besides making a website, you need to make a calculation how many visitors you expect from Google, how many visitors you expect from search engine advertisement, how many visitors you expect from social media, from backlinks you have, and from email. Despite what the costs are, this is for free. You pay for this one is for free, this one is free, this one is for free. So despite the cost, you can make a calculation how many visitors you get from Google to your website. Let's say that you have on a monthly base 2,500 visitors from Google to your website. So these 2,500 visitors, they are on your website. Let's say that 10% click through from your website to the affiliate website, so where they can make a sale. That would mean that you provide the affiliate website, the Amazon or the AliExpress, that you provide them 250 visitors. Same goes for SEA, for your ads. Let's say that you can get 1,000 visitors on your website from your advertisements. 15% will click through to the affiliate site, 150. Social media, from backlinks and from email. So it means that if you get a number of visitors to your website and you can make them click through to the affiliate website, it means that you can provide for the affiliate website 626 visitors each month. So let's say we have an affiliate program with Amazon and we provide Amazon 627 visitors each month. The conversion on the Amazon website or on the affiliate website would be probably about 8%. So it means that 50 people who came from our website would make a sale. The average order amount would be 50 euros. So 50 times 50, so this should be a little bit more. The revenue is around 2,500 euros, and we get an average commission of 6%. So it means that we will get 150 euros and 36 cents each month. So based on all our marketing channels, all our digital marketing channels, and all the visitors we provide for the affiliate program. So how does it work? First of all, this is an easy formula. So this is actually just E2 times E3. So 2,500 times 10. Then this one, here we are going to sum E4 till I4. This is just a number we fill in and we can play with. The affiliates, the sales on the affiliate is 627 times 8. So B6 times B7. This is also a number we can play with. This is also a calculation. That's B8, the 50 times 50 euros. And probably it is not 50, but 15 dot a little. This is a round number. And then we have the total revenue on the website. We get a 6% commission. So the 150 is 2,500 times 6%. A nice thing is you can play a little with it. So you can say, well, SEO should be 5,000. And then you see you earn a lot more. Well, this is a profit model for affiliates. Once again, you can use it also for your normal web shop. And good luck with creating your own profit model. This was the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.